Hello, my name is Kelsey Anderson-Kline, and I'm an attorney with the LaPorte law firm. And today I'm going to be answering the question, can you receive both VA disability benefits and Social Security disability insurance, SSDI, at the same time? Here's the answer, yes. In most cases, you can receive both your full VA disability benefits and your full SSDI benefits. So, in this video, I'll explain why VA benefits do not affect SSDI eligibility and why they generally do not reduce your SSDI payments either. So, first, let's discuss SSDI's non medical requirements. SSDI is an insurance based program. SSDI is based off of your work history. So, to qualify, you must have worked long enough and recently enough to earn sufficient work credits. The Social Security Administration refers to this as being insured under their system. So, no assets or unearned income affect your SSDI eligibility. SSDI is not a needs based program. So, there's no limits or assets or issues regarding other passive income. So, if you were to receive money from investments, gifts, inheritance, insurance payments, and importantly here, VA benefits, this does not affect your SSDI eligibility. So, here's your key takeaway. VA disability benefits are considered unearned income or passive income, so they do not affect SSDI's non medical eligibility requirements. Second, let's talk about SSDI's medical requirements. To qualify for SSDI, you must have a medical condition, either physical or mental or both, that prevents you from performing what's called substantial work activity. This condition must be expected to last at least 12 months or result in death. So, what's substantial gainful activity, or otherwise called SGA? SSA evaluates whether you're working at the substantial gainful activity level to determine if you're eligible for benefits. If you are working, then you are not eligible for benefits. SGA is based off of earned income from work activity. So here's why VA benefits do not matter here. VA disability payments are not wages, so they're not earned income. Receiving VA benefits does not count as working and doesn't demonstrate an ability to perform substantial gainful activity. So here's your takeaway. VA disability benefits do not disqualify you from SSDI because they are not earned income and not considered substantial gainful activity. Lastly, let's discuss, will VA benefits reduce SSDI payments? So you've won your case and you're now receiving SSDI. Does your VA disability impact your SSDI payment? Some people can be eligible for both. They can get SSDI along with your VA disability. There's also other types of disability benefits you can get, such as state disability benefits, short term disability benefits, or workers' compensation benefits. And in those situations, people wonder, well, will those other benefits impact me? Will there be an offset? Generally, your combined benefits, so from other public disability benefits, workers' compensation, state disability, and Social Security disability, cannot exceed 80% of your average earnings before becoming disabled. If they do, Social Security may reduce the SSDI portion of your benefits. But here's an important exception. VA disability benefits do not count towards this offset calculation. Social Security does not reduce SSDI because you receive VA disability compensation. So here's your key takeaway. You can generally receive your full SSDI benefit and your full VA disability benefit at the same time without any reduction or any offset. So here's a recap for you. Yes, you can receive both VA disability and SSDI. VA benefits do not affect your non medical eligibility requirements for SSDI. VA benefits are not earned income and do not affect SSDI's medical disability analysis. And generally, VA benefits do not trigger the SSDI offset rule that reduces your SSDI payment. In closing, if you're a veteran who can no longer work because of a disability, you may qualify for both programs. Applying for one does not prevent you from receiving the other, and in most cases, you can receive the full amount for both programs. If you have questions about SSDI eligibility or need help with your disability claim, contact our office for a free consultation.